To hide photos and videos on your Samsung Galaxy S26, you're going to open up the Gallery app and then go ahead and select the photo or photos and videos that you wish to hide. So you can choose as many as you need to. And then once you've successfully chosen the images and videos, you're going to tap on this option labeled More. Choose the option Move to Private Album and then confirm that you wish to move all of them there. This now means but now, whenever you want to access those specific photos or videos, you just need to go ahead and navigate to your private album, unlock it, and you'll be able to see the images. This also means that if you had any apps that had access to your gallery app, they'll no longer be able to have access to these videos because they've been successfully hidden. So if anybody wants access to it, they need to be able to use your details, whether it's your fingerprint, Face ID, or PIN password or pattern, so that they can access. Previously, you were being forced to use a secure folder, but with the private album, you now no longer need to do so. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.